Ever seen a truck driving down the road that's jacked up in the front and the back of the truck is basically dragging? That's called a Carolina squat. And if you're thinking that can't be safe, you're right. In fact, it's now illegal in Virginia and the Carolinas. Let's talk about why. I'm Ryan Wynn, founder of Wynn Injury Law here in Richmond. I work with folks who have been seriously hurt due to someone else's carelessness, whether it's a distracted driver or someone behind the wheel of a dangerous vehicle. Today, we are breaking down what the Carolina squat is, why it's now banned, and how the law affects personal injury in criminal cases. And if anything I say here hits close to home, reach out. That's why we do this. All right, let's start with what the Carolina squat actually is. It's when someone lifts the front end of their truck, sometimes for looks, sometimes for off-roading, but they keep the rear of the truck lower to the ground. Now, this might be flashy in a car show, but on the road, it's a problem. It reduces visibility, disrupts handling, and in a crash, increases the likelihood of a rollover or a head-on collision that ends badly. Unfortunately, it took a tragedy here in Virginia for lawmakers to act. In 2022, a young man named Jody Upton Jr., known to most as BJ, was killed in a crash involving a squatted truck. His family and a whole lot of other Virginians, including myself, stepped up and said, this needs to be outlawed. This led to the enactment of a new bill, Senate Bill 777, which makes it illegal in Virginia to drive a vehicle where the front bumper is more than 4 inches higher than the rear bumper. Governor Youngkin signed it into law on March 21st, 2022. North Carolina and South Carolina followed Virginia's lead, all citing the same concern: public safety. Now, here's where it matters for you or someone you care about. When a crash happens, we always examine the facts: what caused it, what could have prevented it, and whether someone broke the law. And if the vehicle involved is illegally modified, like a Carolina squat, that can lead to a stronger legal case against that person. From a legal standpoint, we refer to that as negligence per se. That means if someone breaks a safety law and leads to harm, the law itself can help prove fault. So if you are in a wreck caused by a squatted truck, you're not just up against a careless driver, you're potentially dealing with someone who was breaking the law at the time of the crash. That can have a significant impact on your claim and the kind of justice you are able to get. We have seen this come up in both personal injury and criminal cases. And for folks injured in these kind of crashes, this law gives us one more tool to fight on their behalf. Some people think these modifications are just a style and are harmless. But at the end of the day, style does not matter when someone's in the hospital, or worse. This law is about keeping people safe and holding folks accountable when they make dangerous choices on the road. We were honored to be able to help the Upton family during this tragedy and make the roads safer in Virginia. We were proud to make a $10,000 donation to the local fire department in Mecklenburg County that BJ was a member of to set up an annual scholarship fund in his honor for young people who want to attend vocational schools. If you or someone you know has been hurt in a collision involving a squatted vehicle or any modified vehicle that raised red flags, don't wait. Give us a call. We will walk you through what happened and discuss your options. No pressure, just honest and real answers. When you have been hurt, we are here to fight for you. We are Wynn Law, and we are here for you, Virginia.